Donald Trump has called for the US to greatly strengthen and expand its nuclear weapons capability. Despite long-term efforts by Washington to reduce its atomic arsenal, the president-elect tweeted such action was needed until the world comes to its senses regarding nukes. It's not clear what prompted the comment, but it came only hours after Vladimir Putin had also called for Russia to strengthen its nuclear forces. Insisting his country was capable of repelling any possible armed threat, the Russian president told military advisers in Moscow, "We are stronger now than any potential aggressor, anyone. I want to draw your attention to the fact that if we allowed ourselves to relax, the situation could change very quickly."
Ситуация может очень быстро измениться.
There are about 15,000 nuclear weapons in the world, most of which are in the hands of the US and Russia. Since the end of the Cold War, both countries have tried to cut their stockpiles.